susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
In our past lessons, we already talked all about direct variation in the form of y equals kx and inverse variation in the form of y equals k over x and joint variation in the form of y equals kx0. Now, I discussed to you all about the combined variation. Combined variation is the combination of direct, inverse, and joint variation. In combined variation, y varies directly as x and inversely as z, and in the form of y equals kx over z. And to find the value of the constant or the k, the formula is k equals yz over x. Now, let us try some problem. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. If y varies directly as x and inversely as z, and y equals 24 when x equals 48 and z equals 4, find x when y equals 4 and z equals 6. Now we have 4 steps. First step is write the correct equation. Combined variation problems are solved using a combination of variation equations. In this case, we will combine the direct and inverse variation equations. Step 1 is simply as write the correct equation. So, y varies directly as x, y equals kx, and inversely as z, y equals kx over z. We are finished now in our step 1. Now, in our step 2, use the information given in the problem to find the value of k. In this case, you need to find k when x equals 48, y equals 24, and z equals 4. Our step 2 is just to find the value of k. And to find the value of k, we have the formula k equals yz over x. Then substitution. K equals the value of y equals 24. Multiply to the value of z equals 4. Then divide to the value of x equals 48. Then k equals 24 times 4, 96, over 48. Then the value of our k is equivalent to 2. Now we write here that k equals 2. We now have our constant value or k. Now we proceed to step 3. Rewrite the equation from step 1 substituting in the value of k found in step 2. We just simply substitute the value of k in the formula y equals the value of k, 2, and x over z. Now, in our step 4, use the equation found in step 3 and the remaining information given in the problem to answer the question asked. In this case, you need to find x when y equals 44 and z equals 6. And also, we have the value of k that is equal to 2. Now, substitute the value of y equals 44 equals value of k, 2, times x, missing value, over z equals 6. Now, to simply, let's just multiply both sides by 6 to answer the denominator. 6 times 44 equals 4, 2, 264 equals cancel, 2x. Then to find the x, let's divide both sides by 2. Equals x equals 132. Now, our answer for the example 1 is 132. X equals 132. Wait. Okay, in our example 2, if f varies directly as g and inversely as the square of h, and f equals 20 when g equals 50 and h equals 5, find f when g equals 18 and h equals 6. Now, in our step 1, let's write the equation. If f varies directly as g and inversely as the square of h. Now we have the equation f equals kg over h squared. Now, let's find the value of the k or the constant. We have the formula k equals f h squared over g. Okay. Our given is k equals the value of f equals 20 and multiply to the value of h 5 squared because k equals f h squared over g, then g equals 50. Okay, k equals 20 multiply to 5 squared equals 25 over 50. Okay, k equals 20 times 25 equals 500 over 50. Then divide k equals 10. Now we have our constant value or k, where is k equals 10. Now, for our step 3, let's substitute our equation, our k in the equation, where f equals k 10, then h 10g over h squared. In our step 1, let's substitute all the value and all the given value and find the missing, where find f when g equals 18 and h equals 6. So f missing value equals k is 10, g is 18, then h is equals 6 squared. Then f equals 10 times 18 equals 180 over 6 squared equals 36. Then we got our answer, f equals 180 over 36 or 5. F equals 5. 5. That's it. Okay. Our example number 3. If y varies jointly as a and b and inversely as the square root of c, and y equals 12 when a equals 3, b equals 2, and c equals 4, find y when a equals 5, b equals 2, and c equals 25. Now we use our first step. Write accurately our equation where y varies jointly as a and b and inversely as the square root of c. Now we have our equation y equals kab over the square root of c. Now for our step 2, let's find the value of k, where k equals y times the square root of c over ab. Now, let's substitute all the given value to find the constant. K equals y is 12 times the square root of 64 over a equals 3 times 2. Then k equals 12 times 8 over 3 times 2 equals 6. Then k equals 96 over 6. Then k equals 16. Now we have our k value, that is 16. K equals 16. Now, for our third step, substitute the value of k and rewrite the equation where y equals 16, the value of k, then ab over the square root of c. Then, this is our step 3. Then, we proceed to step 4. Our step 4 is substitute all the given value. We need to find the value of y, where y equals 16 times 5, or the a, then times 2, the b, over the square root of c, that is 25. Y equals 16 times 5, 80, times 2, 160, over the square root of 25 is 5. Then y equals 32. Now, our answer here is y equals 32. Now, we already finished our 3 example where the first is only normal, the second is we need to square, and the third is we need to joint and the square root. We all answered that. I hope that you already know how to answer a combined variation problem, and I hope that you will enjoy my show. Thank you.